Hi, I'm Michael Vawan, a product specialist at AlphaDesk. Today we are going to show you a major update we've made with integrations to Workspace. Last year, we demonstrated how Workspace indices could be used to model portfolios more effectively. We are now releasing a major improvement to modeling capabilities in AlphaDesk. This video will demonstrate those capabilities and show how that same Workspace index data can scale your workflow even further. Let's begin in the new Modeling tab. This new tab centralizes all your modeling and rebalancing capabilities, making the workflows more efficient. From here, we can see the previous single modeling fund, along with the multi-portfolio tool. Let's go straight to multi-portfolio, where we can show the Workspace integration scaling 2 or more portfolios simultaneously. I'll start by loading in my 2 Russell 50 benchmark funds. Next, we'll bring in a model from Workspace. I have selected this Russell 50 index from Workspace, and I can see my constituents here. In AlphaDesk, I can now load in that model. This demonstrates how you can align multiple portfolios to a standard index or strategic target. As a refresher from previous demonstrations, here's the view of the same model warehoused in Workspace. Once the model is selected, we retrieve the weights and prepare to apply them to our portfolios. Now we can apply those model weights to the portfolio simultaneously. This new functionality enables consistent implementation across multiple accounts, streamlining the process and reducing operational overhead. We'll later show how generated orders can be merged automatically to trade as single tickets. Before moving to execution, we run a compliance check directly within the workflow. This ensures that any proposed trades are aligned with portfolio guidelines before trades are generated. And finally, we can generate the trades. This block button combines all trades into a single ticket by security inside. This completes the workflow from model selection to trade execution across multiple portfolios in a single efficient process. To summarize, we've just demonstrated loading and managing multiple portfolios, sourcing a benchmark model from Workspace, applying model weights across portfolios, running pre-trade compliance checks, and generating trades, all within one integrated environment. That covers the new features that we wanted to talk about. Thank you for watching.